Okay. Next example. Expand tan 6 theta. Expand tan 6 theta in terms of tan theta. In terms of tan theta, and deduce that the first thing, tan theta plus tan theta plus pi upon 6 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 6 up to tan theta plus 5 pi by 6. The next term will be 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, and 5 pi. Total sum of 6 terms. And this we want to show that it has minus 6 cot 6 theta. This we want to show that it is minus 6 cot 6 theta. Sabah Pathan. Sabah A Pathan. Second, we want to show that cot theta into cot of theta plus pi by 6 cot theta plus 2 pi by 6. Cot theta plus 2 pi by 6 dot 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 cot theta plus 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we have to expand tan of 6 theta. First part is expansion of tan 6 theta in terms of tan of theta. So how this tan 6 theta can be written as? The tan 6 theta can be written as sine 6 theta divided by cos 6 theta. And now this we need to calculate. So cos of 6 theta plus I sine 6 theta. By De Moivre's theorem, this is cos theta plus I sine theta raised to 6. Now we want to expand this. Okay, in short, I will write the Pascal's triangle. You can use binomial expansion or you can use Pascal's triangle also. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And the last one, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Okay. I am writing the expansion A. This is A and this is B. So A raised to 6, that is cos raised to 6, cos raised to 6 theta, coefficient is 1. Next, plus 15 cos raised to 5 theta, I sine theta. What is next? Okay, I have to write 6 here.
6 sir, 15.
6, let's okay. Then 15 cos raised to 4 theta, I square sin square theta. Then 20 cos cube theta, I cube sin cube theta. Then plus 15 cos square theta, I raised to 4 sin raised to 4 theta. Next, plus 6 cos theta, I raised to 5 sin raised to 4 theta. And the last term, plus 1 cos theta raised to 0 is 1, and I raised to 6 sin raised to 6 theta. Now in the next step, I am putting the values of I as I square as -1, I cube as -I, and so on. And I'm just writing the real part and imaginary part separately. So cos raised to 6 theta is real number. Here is its imaginary number. So I'll just make box those who are having I or odd powers of I. So this is the term who is having involvement of I raised to 5. The odd powers of I will give I. I or minus I, and even pairs of I will give plus I and minus I. Okay. So how many terms will there total? Who is having coefficient I? Total 7 terms, among which 3 terms are coefficient of I, and 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are coefficient of real part. That are the real part. So this I square gives -1, so minus 15 cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta. What next? I raised to 4 is +1, so plus 15 cos square theta sin raised to 4 theta. What is next? Next is the last, I raised to 6 is -1. So this is the real part. I will take common I from the restings. So the first term is 6 cos raised to 5 theta sin theta. I is common. The I cube is minus I is common, -1 will there. So minus 20 cos cube theta sin cube theta. What next? I raised to 5 is plus I. So I is common. So 6 cos theta sin raised to 4 theta. Okay, one more term is
Sin
there.
raised to 5 theta, sir.
Sin raised to 5 theta. Sorry. This cos total power has to be 6. Thank you. So above 4 terms, and here we get 3 terms. So I will close this bracket. So from this I can write cos 6 theta. What is cos 6 theta? Cos raised to 6 theta minus 15 cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta plus 15 cos square theta sin raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 6 theta. This is cos 6 theta, and imaginary part on right hand side is left hand side is sin theta, and right hand side I am writing here. So coefficient of I of both side, that is imaginary part, 6 cos raised to 5 theta sin theta minus 20 cos cube theta sin cube theta. The indices sum has to be 6, always, because we are expanding a plus b raised to 6. And what is the last term? Plus 6 cos theta sin raised to 5 theta. Okay. Now you write sin tan 6 theta from this. What is tan 6 theta? It is sin 6 theta divided by cos 6 theta. So sin 6 theta, I will write here 6 cos raised to 5 theta sin theta minus 20 cos cube theta sin cube theta plus 6 cos theta sin raised to 5 theta. This is divided by cos 6 theta. Cos raised to 6 theta minus 15 cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta plus 15 cos square theta sin raised to 4 theta and minus sin raised to 6 theta. Okay. So in the explanations, you know that sin theta upon cos theta. So highest power of cos is 6. So divide numerator and denominator by cos raised to 6. Your n is 6, that's why. So divide numerator and denominator by cos raised to 6 theta. So I'll write here. So numerator is 6 cos raised to 5 theta sin theta minus 20 cos cube theta sin cube theta plus 6 cos theta sin raised to 5 theta. This is going to divided by cos raised to 6. So I'll write cos raised to 5 theta into cos theta. I'll write here cos cube theta into cos cube theta. This is also cos raised to 6. I am writing this as cos theta into cos raised to 5 theta. This is the numerator. And what is the denominator? Denominator is cos raised to 6 theta upon cos raised to 6 theta minus 15 cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta. This is divided by cos raised to 4 theta and cos square, because we are dividing numerator and denominator by cos raised to 6 to get involvement of tan terms. So this is second term. The next term is plus 15 cos square theta upon cos square theta, I will write, and sin raised to 4 theta upon cos raised to 4 theta. And we know sin upon cos is tan. And last, sin raised to 6 theta upon cos raised to 6 theta. So what you get after simplifications? Okay, I'll cancel these things. Okay, I'll cancel by red. I'll make it by red mark. So same term will be get cancelled. And sin theta upon cos theta, you can write it as tan theta. So this is tan theta minus 20 tan cube theta plus 6 tan raised to 5 theta. The numerator, sin upon cos, we have written tan. This is cos get cancelled. So 1 minus 15 tan square theta plus 15 tan raised to 4 theta minus tan raised to 6 theta. So this is the expansion of tan of 6 theta. This is expansion of tan of 6 theta. That is the first part. Or if you remember the cosine theta, sin theta formula, no need to keep in mind what is the last term, what is when we are not even, you did all problems you can treat like this. So this was the first part, that we want to expand tan 6 theta in terms of tan of theta. So okay, now observe these values. I can call these values as the alpha. These are total 6 values of theta. Theta plus pi upon 6, theta plus 2 pi by 6, theta plus 3 pi by 6, theta plus 4 pi by 6, and theta plus 5 pi by 6. We have to apply some knowledge of the solution of the equations here. Okay. So next part. Now the first part we are going to prove. First part of it. If alpha is, I'm calling all the 6 numbers as alpha. If alpha is one of the following numbers, one of the numbers, which number? It may be theta, it may be theta plus pi upon 6, it may be theta plus 2 pi by 6. I'm not writing this as pi by 3. Theta plus, I'm writing the above values, 3 pi by 6, theta plus 4 pi by 6, and theta plus 5 pi by 6. These are the 6 values of alpha. So alpha equal to this, alpha equal to that, and alpha equal to that. So so what will be the 6 times alpha? 6 times alpha may be 6 theta, maybe 6 theta plus pi. That's why I have written 2 pi by 6 and all these things. Maybe 6 theta plus 2 pi. It may be 6 theta plus 3 pi. It may be 6 theta plus 4 pi, because 6 will get cancelled out for the second term when you multiply by 6, and 6 theta plus 5 pi. So these are the 6 values of 6 alpha that we have considered. And in each case, tan of 6 alpha आपण पाहिला प्रत्येक ठिकाणी, तर तो काय आहे, tan of 6 theta एवढा आहे, because tan of 6 theta plus pi is 6 theta, tan 6 theta. Even we know that tan of theta plus k pi, k is any integer, it is tan theta. This formula you can remember, because tan is periodic with the period pi. You got it? म्हणजे आता याच्यावर टॅन अप्लाय केला तर तो टॅन 6 थीटाचे, म्हणजे टॅन ऑफ इच व्हॅल्यू, टॅन ऑफ दिस, 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 and tan of everybody is just tan 6 theta. So everybody is same. That's why I written. And for the expansion, now we have applied, we have found already expansion for tan 6 theta. What is the expansion of tan 6 alpha then? Just theta is replaced by. आता याचा रोल काय पुढे लक्षात येईल तुमच्या, आपण का काढतोय, why you are finding this? We are treating these all are the roots of some equations, and while in the solution of equations we have to apply what will be the sum of the all roots, what is the product of all roots, that 1 and 2 things will get the answers. So in each case this is either, there are total 6 cases. In each case tan of 6 alpha is tan of 6 theta. म्हणजे इथं जर मी पाहिलं, इथं पाहिलं आपण का लिहिलं असं आपण, तर tan of 6 theta plus pi हा काय, tan 6 theta आहे, आणि 6 theta हा काय, 6 alpha आहे, म्हणून असं लिहिलं मी. tan of 6 theta plus 2 pi हा सुद्धा काय आहे, tan of 6 theta आहे, पण 6 theta हा आपण काय घेतोय 6 अल्फा घेतोय. असं करत करत tan of 6 theta plus 5 pi हा सुद्धा tan thetaचा आहे, सॉरी tan 6 theta आहे. So this is tan 6 theta means 6 alpha. So that's why I have written above. In all 6 cases, these values are just like that. Okay. Now in the similar way, if I write tan 6 alpha, the expansion of tan 6 alpha in above, okay, I'll write from here. We already found tan 6 theta. So what is that? It is 6 tan alpha. What next? 6 tan alpha minus 20 tan cube alpha. Just alpha I am replacing by theta plus 6 tan raised to 5 alpha. थीटाच्या ऐवजी फक्त अल्फा लिहितो या ठिकाणी मी. And 1 minus 15 tan square alpha plus 15 tan raised to 4 alpha minus tan raised to 6 alpha. Okay. And I'm calling tan alpha as t. So 6t minus 20 t cube and writing the equation in terms of t. 6 t raised to 5. This is divided by 1 minus 15 t square plus 15 t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6, where t is just tan alpha. So this is tan of 6 alpha. But what is tan 6 alpha actually? It is tan of 6 theta. Having all those 6 values, it is tan of 6 theta. So 6t minus 20 t cube plus 6t raised to 5 divided by 1 minus 15 t square plus 15 t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6. I am putting tan 6 alpha as tan 6 theta. And there are total 6 values of this 6 theta satisfying these equations. That means there will be, you have total 6 values of this t because it has degree t. How degree 6 polynomial? I'll just multiply cross multiplication of it. So tan 6 theta multiplied by 1 minus 15 t square plus 15 t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6 equal to 6t minus 20 t cube plus 6 t raised to 5. And now collect the coefficients. Same power, you can take it into left hand side. So what is the coefficient of, okay, I'll transfer this to the latter side. So t raised to 6 into tan 6 theta. So this is the first term, t raised to 6 into tan 6 theta. And what value will you get here? Next, I'm transferring this to other side. So it has, if it has minus sign, okay, one step I'll do. Tan 6 theta into 1 minus tan 6 theta into t square plus 15 tan 6 theta into t raised to 4 minus tan 6 theta into t raised to 6 equal to 6t minus 20t cube plus 6t raised to 5. So this term going to the right hand side. So that's why plus sign is there. So it will be as it is, plus 6t raised to 5. So where is t raised to 4 term? Here is t raised to 4 terms. When you go to right hand side, I have to write minus sign, minus 15 tan 6 theta into t raised to 4. Where is t cube term? T cube term is here. So I'll write as it is 20 t cube. Where is t square term? T square term is here. So it is minus, becomes plus 15 tan 6 theta t square. Where is t term? T term is here, plus 60. And where is the constant? Constant is tan 6 theta. Constant means there is no coefficient of t. So this is the equations. This is the equations like this. I can write a naught x raised to 6 plus a1 x raised to 5. Okay, I'll write in terms of t. A2 t raised to 4 plus a3 t raised to 5 4 3 plus a4 t square plus a5t plus a6 equal to 0. So this is the polynomial equations having 6 roots. And we know that who are the 6 roots of this. हे टीच्या टी आपण टी इक्वल टू काय घेतला tan अल्फा घेतला हे सॅटिस्फाय करणारे कोण आहे आपल्याला माहिती आहे वरती कोण आहेत ते व्हॉट आर द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ दॅट हू सॅटिस्फाइज इट आपण वरती ज्या किंमत घेतल्या त्या लिहूया त्या ठिकाणी सो दिस a naught what is a naught is tan 6 theta what is a1 is 6 what is a2 is minus 15 tan of 6 theta what is a3 is minus 20 who is a4 I am comparing with above who is a4 is 15 tan raised to 6 theta a5 is 6 and a6 is minus tan theta sorry minus tan 6 theta so these are the coefficients okay so I am writing this as a star or I am calling this as a star equation star is polynomial in terms of t having degree 6 star is polynomial in the variable t having degree 6 and 6 roots of this equation star r 6 roots of this equation star r just now we have written in above theta plus r pi by 6 so r is 0 r is 1 r is 2 r is 3 r is 4 r is 5 so these are the 6 values which give all those 6 roots so these are the roots so what is the first root tan theta is the first root we are taking alpha equal to what values of alpha you are taken see just here alpha is theta so tan alpha is tan theta alpha is this so tan alpha is tan of this and so on so I am writing all those roots tan theta plus pi by 6 tan theta plus 2 pi by 6 and so on tan theta plus 5 pi by 6 r हे सॅटिस्फाय करता येते इक्वेशन्स कारण त्याच्यापासूनच चालू केलं आपण आर द रूट्स ऑफ स्टार okay now I can call one from here instead of above I can call one from here so what I have to do what I want to add all these roots so sum up all roots we know the formula if you don't know keep this formula in mind so this is minus coefficient of t raised to 5 divided by in the theory of equations coefficient of t raised to 6 minus sign महत्वाची था तो minus coefficient of t raised to 5 काय तो आहे 6 and what is the coefficient of t raised to 6 so t raised to 6 coefficient is tan 6 theta and we know 1 upon tan is cot so it is 6 cot 6 theta the sum of all the roots this is the first part that we want to prove हे पहा हा पहिला पार्ट आपल्याला दाखवायचा होता -6 cot theta that we have proved आता काय product of roots हा काय असतो त्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे sum of the roots product of roots दोन रूट्सचा प्रोडक्ट करायचा आहे प्रत्येकाचाच फॉर्म्युला आहे थेरी ऑफ इक्वेशन मध्ये सर्व गोष्टी आपल्याला डिटेल मिळून जातील बट यू शुड नो ऑल म्हणजे आपल्याला सगळ्या रूटची बेरीज करायची असेल तर काय येणार आहे सगळ्या रूट्सचा प्रोडक्ट करायचा असेल तर काय येणार आहे सगळ्या रूट्सचा जर तुम्हाला 2-3 रूट्सचा प्रोडक्ट करून बेरीज करायची तर काय येणार आहे सगळे फॉर्म्युले सो व्हॉट इज सेकंड पार्ट सेकंड पार्ट प्रूव्ह करतो आपण सर्वांचा प्रोडक्ट घेतो सर्व रूट्सचा tan थीटा फर्स्ट रूट आहे tan थीटा प्लस पाय अपॉन 6 सेकंड रूट आहे tan थीटा प्लस 2 पाय बाय 6 थर्ड रूट आहे आणि tan थीटा प्लस 5 पाय बाय 6 हे 6th रूट आहे तर हा द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल रूट्स हा दिस इज नथिंग बट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल रूट्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल रूट्स ऑफ स्टार सो त्याचा एक फॉर्म्युला आहे तर त्याचा फॉर्म्युला काय पहा 6 रूट्स आहे तर -1/6 लिहायचं. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ, okay, numerator I have to write constant term. Constant term divided by coefficient of t raised to 6. Constant term divided by coefficient of t raised to 6. So what is the constant term in this, in the equation of star? In the equation of star, constant term is minus tan 6 theta, and coefficient of 6 t raised to 6 tan 6 theta. So I am writing that minus tan 6 theta divided by tan 6 theta. So -1/6 is 1, tan 6 theta minus I, and हा coefficient of काय, so this is -1. So tan theta plus pi by 6 and so on, tan theta plus 5 pi by 6, 6 रूटचा प्रोडक्ट हा काय आला -1 आला. याचाच रेसिप्रोकल घ्या. ऍक्च्युअली हे प्रूव्ह करायचं नाही आपल्याला. टेकिंग रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ बोथ साइड, so 1/tan is cot theta, 1/tan is 1/tan theta plus 5 by 6 is cot theta plus pi upon 6. Next cot theta plus 2 pi by 6, cot theta plus 3 pi by 6, and so on, cot theta plus 5 pi by 6. Reciprocal of this, and -1/1 is -1. This is the second part that we have to prove. हा आपल्याला दूसरा पार्ट होता, तो आपल्याला काय करायचं होता, प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. You can see here it is equal to -1. So I will just repeat what we did here. You just go and try to find the formula for this, or just we can compare with our quadratic equations. So what is quadratic equations? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if alpha and beta are the roots of it. The sum of root काय असेल आपल्याला माहिती आहे. What is the sum of root? वरच्या प्रमाणे आता सम ऑफ रूट आपण काय करतो इथं, मायनस, आता हायेस्ट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x and coefficient of x square, so minus b upon a हा घेतो आपण. आणि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट काय, -1, आता डिग्री त्याची 2 आहे म्हणून आपण -1/6 घेतो, 2 घेतोय, -1 square. The product of root, it is the constant term divided by the coefficient of x square, that is c upon a. आणि तुम्ही रूट मध्ये एखाद्या इक्वेशनचं रूट काढून पाहू शकता तेच आहे का नाही. आता उदाहरणार्थ सिंपल रूट घेतो मी, x square plus 4x plus 4. याचे रूट आपल्याला माहित आहेत काय. व्हॉट आर द रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन? व्हॉट आर द रूट्स? प्रोडक्ट 4 बेरीज 4. x plus 2 स्क्वेअर काय, x square plus 4x plus 4. याचे रूट्स आहे -2 -2. तर रूटची बेरीज काय होते, -4 होते, आणि रूटचा प्रोडक्ट काय येतो, +4 येतो. तर -b upon a, -b म्हणजे -4 upon a 1. So that is the sum, and c upon a, that is 4 upon 1, that is the product. हे आपण या ठिकाणी असं करू शकतो, आणि याला एक आपण एनालाइज करू शकतो. हा रिझल्ट आपण जनरली सुद्धा करू शकतो. फ्रॉम द थिअरी ऑफ इक्वेशन्स यू कॅन सॉर्ट आउट इट. Okay, I'm giving the examples to do you. Exercise example, homework 1. Just try to solve this. Tan 7 theta equal to 7 tan theta minus 35 tan square theta plus 21 tan raised to 5 theta minus tan raised to 7 theta. It is divided by 1 minus 21 tan square theta plus 35 tan raised to 4 minus 7 tan raised to 6 theta. And another example, just write down all these examples. Write down the value of tan 9 theta in terms of tan theta. In terms of tan theta. Try to solve this. Expansion of tan n theta वापरायचं, cos n theta sin n theta काढून घ्या, किंवा cos n theta sin n theta चे फॉर्म्युले लक्षात राहत असेल तर डायरेक्ट अप्लाय करा, नसेल लक्षात राहत तर प्रोसिजरली ते तुम्ही फाइंड करू शकता. So take note down of these two examples. And mark your attendance. Now in the next lectures, we want to expand tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta n. That we are going to find the expansion of tan of theta 1 plus theta 2, tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, and so on. We have to generalize this. So how De Moivre's theorem is applicable here also, that we'll be discussing in the next class. There are two or three more articles in this unit. By the end of this month, we are going to complete unit 2nd. Mark your attendance. Okay, today we will stop here now. Not going to start new topic.